Winter is nearly over, but did you know that 90% of garden failures in spring happen because the soil isn't properly restored? Hello everyone, today I will review 3 simple but highly effective methods to restore your soil after winter. If you want a lush and productive garden this spring, don't miss this video. Many people think they can just plant directly in the soil. But why is soil restoration necessary after winter? After winter, soil usually face 3 major problems. Compacted soil make it hard for roots growth. Nutrient depletion due to a lack of beneficial microorganisms. Weeds and pests caused by excess moisture and lack of sunlight. If you don't fix this, your plants will struggle, grow slowly, or even die. So how can we turn hard, compacted soil into soft, aerated, nutrient-rich soil? There are 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Clear away debris and dead roots. Aerate or light holes instead of deep tilling. Keep fallen leaves for composting instead of throw them away. Step number 2. Add organic materials like made-in straw, wood chips, or coconut coir to retain moisture and aerate the soil. Add agricultural lime if the soil is too acidic from melted snow. Step number 3. Avoid over-tilling the soil. Follow the no-tilling gardening methods. Lightly loosen the soil to preserve a beneficial microbe. Okay, now we've loosened the soil. What should we do to put soil nutrient and ensure strong plant growth? There are 3 easy ways. Method 1. Use worm castings. Pack with beneficial microorganisms to improve soil structure. Helps retain moisture and prevent aerosols. Method 2. Make DIY organic compost. Use vegetable scraps, dry leaves, coffee grounds to create some natural fertilizer. This helps reduce waste and save money. Method 3 is apply composting. Soak organic compost into water for 24 hours and use as a liquid soil booster. With the 3 simple methods, cleaning, preparing the soil, loosening and aerating the soil naturally, adding organic nutrients, your gardens will be ready for a thriving spring season. With methods you haven't tried before, drop your gardening experience in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to help others have a successful spring garden. Thank you for watching the video.